Hey guys, in today's video, I will walk you through on how to create Instagram Reels with Canva. In the homepage of Canva, click Create a Design button, then Navigate Videos. Now in here you have to select the Instagram Reel format. After that, click Uploads button, then click Videos. Now in here you have to select a video you want to use. All you have to do is drag this until it fit to the screen. And after that, you have to add an audio here. So just select an audio you want to use, or you can upload a file here. Then after that, you have to add a caption. Just tap the text button here and select a caption you want to use. Just double click the caption to change the text. Then you can also change its text color. Just tap the text color here and select the color you want to make it more visible. Then you can also add fade into your music. Just tap the fade button, then add fade in and fade out. You can also add animation into your text. Just tap the text, then tap the animate and select the animation you want to use. And after that, if you have also another video to add, just click the add page. Then if you want to apply a transition just over between the splitted area, just tap add transition, then select the transition you want to use. And once you're all satisfied with the edit, just tap the share button at the top right corner, then click download. And make sure that the file type is set into MP4 video. Then after that, click download. After downloading, then your video is ready to upload into your Instagram. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.